Introducing the Tohnichi 3000DOT torque tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with utmost precision. Engineered by Tohnichi, a leading brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and versatility for various applications. With its wide torque range of 300 to 3000 kg/fcm, the Tohnichi 3000 torque tester is suitable for testing a diverse range of tools and components. The large and easy-to-read analog dial provides clear and accurate torque readings, ensuring precise measurements every time. The mechanical loading device allows for smooth and controlled torque application, enhancing the accuracy and consistency of the testing process. Designed to be set horizontally, the Tohnichi 3000 torque tester eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the calibration process. Whether you're in the automotive, manufacturing, or aerospace industry, the Tohnichi 3000 torque tester is an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly professionals. Invest in precision and reliability with the Tohnichi 3000 torque tester.